Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I'm here with the new vacancy. So this recruitment is from Eurofins organization, Eurofins IT Solutions. The job role is Associate Software Engineer. Job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. This will be the full-time position only. So this is the company description which they have provided. Now let us redirect to the job description. As I mentioned earlier, the job role will be Associate Software Engineer and job location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. And then required experience and skills required. Eligibility criteria: 2024 or 2025 pass out candidates can apply to this position. BTech in that CS, IS or EC candidates, or BSc who have completed their BSc in 2024 or 2025. CSIT candidates can apply for this position. If you are completely a fresher candidate, still you can apply, because they have directly mentioned that 0 to 12 months of industry IT experience candidates are required. If you are having up to 1 year of experience, still you can apply. So minimum aggregate percentage you should have 60% in your highest qualification with no backlogs. Then technical skills: 0 to 1 year of experience or strong fundamental and foundational knowledge in .NET Core, C Sharp, Angular and Web API development. Familiar with DBMS, that is database systems such as SQL Server, Cosmos DB, MongoDB. You should be able to write in at least one of the following languages, like C Sharp or Python. Okay, so you should be able to write the code. Basic understanding of Azure fundamentals, including services like app services, Azure functions, Azure SQL, Cosmos DB. Exposure in scripting with C Sharp and PowerShell will be a plus point, will be an advantage. You should be familiar with version control using Git and repositories hosted on Azure repositories. Experience with development tools like Visual Studio, Postman and Swagger for API testing and documentation, it will be an advantage. Okay, so knowledge of Elasticsearch and Azure Service Bus is beneficial. Soft skills: good communication and interpersonal relation skills in an international environment, good attitude towards learning new things, good knowledge on logical reasoning and problem solving skills, ability to coordinate with the work with the different individuals or team members, continuous improvement. Okay, that means the staying updated with the latest technologies and improving process. So preferred qualification: if you have completed certificate in Azure, then it will be a plus point from your end. Elasticsearch engineer certification will also be a plus point. Then understanding of cloud database management system with Azure Cosmos DB, familiarity with modern web development practices and RESTful APIs. Technology stack: backend development in that .NET Core, C Sharp, Web API, front-end development, Angular, TypeScript, database, SQL Server, Cosmos DB, MongoDB, Cloud and Azure in that Azure App Services, Azure Functions, Azure SQL, Azure Repositories. Scripting and tools: PowerShell, basic knowledge is enough for that. C Sharp scripting, Visual Studio, Git, Postman, Swagger. Additional technologies: Elasticsearch, Azure Service Bus, Redis Cache. So qualification required is Bachelor in Engineering, Computer Science or equivalent. Okay, so it is not necessary that you should have all this knowledge in detail. So as a, like, you are applying as a fresher, so if you are having basic knowledge on any of this, then that will be a plus point. Okay, so don't worry about this, and Eurofins is a very good organization to apply. So if you are really interested, you just have to click on this I am interested button and it will redirect to the next page, and here you have to fill all the details. You can choose your resume. Okay, upload your resume, then personal information, your first name, last name, your email ID. Make sure that you are entering the correct email ID here, because whatever the further communication will be, it will be through via email only. Also give your correct mobile number, then add your experience, education. If you don't have any experience, keep it blank. Okay, don't add anything there. You have to add your education, your profiles if you have any. Okay, and then you can apply you can upload your resume here. Then if you have if you are having any technology, if which you have interest in any technology, then you can just write it here, else you can keep it blank and then click on this next button, and further you have to fill more details and just apply from here. Okay, so please apply for this position. Don't miss this opportunity. This is really a good opportunity from Eurofins IT Solutions. So I'll provide the apply link in the description box below. If you are not interested to apply, and you can share this link or video with your friends and family so that they will also get a chance to apply. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.